So you logged into your Google account on a different device that you no longer have access to, and you believe you left yourself logged in there. We do this now and then. I do it every now and then on my computers at my clients' accounts or at schools or where I'm doing speeches. I've actually heard of people who use someone else's cell phone or their tablet. And they log into their Google account to get their email or get some contact information, and they forget to log off. And now anybody who has access to those devices has access to your Google account. I'm going to show you how to fix it right here. Go over here where you have past settings. Go to Gmail. Easiest to do it is from Gmail. And then go over here to where you see the B. And this is your Google account. Click on that and manage your Google account. Now in manage your Google account, come down to security. And all the way down to security, go down and find your devices, where you're signed in. Click on manage all devices. You'll be able to see all the devices where you have your Google account still logged in. And what you can do very easily is just go right down here. Let's say I want to get it off this iPhone. Click right here and I can sign out. Sign out of your Google account on any device that you do not have access to or is not your own. So right there is sign out. Again, I'm going to show it to you really easily. Go to Google account, go to security, go down here to your devices, manage all devices, and find the device that you want to log out on. Click on that device and click on sign out. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach. I hope this is helpful for you.